Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to rename a photo in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your files or just want a more descriptive name for your images, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, make sure you have the app installed. For desktop users, simply navigate to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see all your files and folders. Next, find the photo you want to rename. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found the photo, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. These dots represent more options for that specific file. Now click on the 3 dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that file. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Rename. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking Rename, a text box will pop up allowing you to change the name of your photo. Here, you can type in the new name you want for your file. Make sure it's something that will help you easily identify the photo later on. Once you've entered the new name, click on Rename again to confirm your changes. This action will save the new name, and you'll see it reflected in your Google Drive immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a photo in Google Drive. This simple process not only helps keep your files organized, but also makes it easier to find what you're looking for in the future. Remember, keeping your digital workspace tidy is essential, especially if you have many files. By renaming photos and other documents descriptively, you can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively. Happy organizing!